Get ready to question everything you know about space. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. Space, the final frontier, or is it? For centuries, we've been told tales of the vast cosmos filled with stars, planets, and galaxies. But what if I told you that much of what we know might be a carefully constructed illusion? Let's dive deep into the mysteries and conspiracies surrounding space. So, there's this idea called the antediluvian time, basically a time before the moon existed. Yep, the moon might have been here. But what if the moon isn't what we think it is? Some ancient texts and legends suggest that the moon was brought here, placed in our sky by unknown forces. Could it be an artificial satellite, a hollow structure, or even a base for extraterrestrial beings? Crazy, right? And remember when the moon lander dropped a piece and the moon rang like a bell for hours? This phenomenon, known as the moon bell, has baffled scientists for decades. If the moon is solid rock, how could it resonate like a bell? Some theorists believe this is evidence of a hollow moon, possibly with vast underground chambers or even advanced technology hidden within. Spooky stuff. Oh, and how about that nuclear bomb hitting the moon? Seems like a bad idea if you ask me. In 1959, the United States considered detonating a nuclear bomb on the moon as a show of force during the Cold War. But why? Was it really just a demonstration? Or were they trying to uncover something hidden beneath the lunar surface? Some believe it was an attempt to destroy or disable alien technology. Could it have been an alien eviction notice? And why did we never go back? After the Apollo missions, humans have not returned to the moon. NASA cites budget constraints and lack of interest, but could there be another reason? Some suggest that we were warned off by extraterrestrial forces told never to return. Others believe that the moon holds secrets that certain powerful groups don't want us to discover. Some say NASA destroyed all evidence, rockets, telemetry, footage, you name it. Suspicious, huh? Ever wondered how they opened the rocket door in zero gravity when metals cold weld together? The vacuum of space causes metals to fuse together, a phenomenon known as cold welding. So how did astronauts manage to open and close hatches without any issues? Could it be that the space missions were staged, filmed on Earth with carefully controlled conditions? And landing a lander with no moving parts, it should have dropped like a rock. The lunar lander had no traditional propulsion system for landing, relying instead on a complex system of thrusters. But many experts argue that this system would not have been sufficient to achieve a soft landing. Could the footage of the moon landing have been faked, filmed on a soundstage to fool the world? Even the colorful space photos are suspect. Gases get assigned random colors. The stunning images of nebulae and galaxies we see are often color-enhanced, with scientists assigning colors to different gases for better visualization. But how accurate are these representations? Are we seeing the true beauty of the cosmos or just an artist's interpretation? It's more art than science, folks. And NASA claims there's a massive water vapor cloud 20 million light-years away. But can they even tell what I spilled on the floor? Doubt it. The vast distances and complexities of space make it nearly impossible to verify many of these claims. Are we being fed a narrative that suits certain agendas, while the true nature of the universe remains hidden? And what about the Challenger crew? Some say they're alive and well. The tragic Challenger disaster in 1986 shocked the world, but some conspiracy theorists believe that the crew members survived and were given new identities. They point to individuals who bear striking resemblances to the astronauts, suggesting a cover-up of epic proportions. Did the rocket just ditch into the ocean? Green screen magic, anyone? The idea that space missions are faked using advanced technology and special effects is not new. Some believe that many of the iconic space images and videos were created using green screens and CGI, with rockets never actually leaving Earth's atmosphere. Then there's the hexagon storm on Saturn, a gas giant with no land but a storm that looks like a speaker. The mysterious hexagon-shaped storm on Saturn's North Pole has puzzled scientists since its discovery. How can a storm maintain such a precise geometric shape on a planet with no solid surface? Some suggest it could be evidence of advanced technology or even an artificial structure. Don't even get me started on gravity. If I can't see it, I don't believe it. Gravity is one of the fundamental forces of the universe, yet it remains one of the least understood. Some theorists argue that our understanding of gravity is flawed, and that it could be manipulated or even created by advanced technology. Could this explain some of the strange phenomena we observe in space, and our oceans, blurred out on maps? What are they hiding? There's so much we don't know. Giants, petrified statues, ancient civilizations. It's all there if you look closely. The depths of our oceans remain largely unexplored, with vast areas blurred out on maps. What secrets lie beneath the waves? Could there be remnants of ancient civilizations or even evidence of extraterrestrial visitors? So, next time someone says NASA knows best, just remember, question everything. Stay curious, folks. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and there's so much we have yet to discover. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop seeking the truth.